Clay puppy show. So look what I made just today. So it's pretty cute, and I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna make another one to show you all how to make one like this, because I read these directions and I finally made my puppy. And I know you think it's really cute, and it has spots, and I'm gonna name it Spot because it has spots all over him. And I really like him because he's super cute. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. You can get it at Michael's. It's called a Sculpey 3. You have to warm it up and soften it in your hands. If you have clay, you could join in. If you don't have clay, you can just watch. So I'm gonna make some little puppies. So this could be the mama, and I'm gonna make little poodles. So I'm gonna make like a little tiny puppy, not a big puppy like this one. I'm gonna make it the same as Spot, but she's gonna have little babies. So let's get started. You need to make a peanut. Once I'm done making little peanuts, I'm gonna make one of these, but they're gonna be babies. And now it's time to make the little baby ghosts. You have to grab some black. They're gonna be just so cute and so cuddly. And the mama's gonna be so happy that she has the babies. So I have to make the noses and not too flat. Now I'm going to put their little baby eyes on. Then I'm going to put some black on. That's perfect. That is super perfect. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. And now I'm going to make another one. It is just so cute to have babies. Oh, they're so cute. You need to make their little baby hands. Okay, I'm almost done with this puppy's legs and arms. Oh, look at it! Okay, now it's time for their spots. Sorry, I forgot the tail. And then the spots. Okay, we're all done. You're gonna put them fully on the cookie sheet and then bake them. We're gonna make it at 275 degrees. We're gonna make it about 45 minutes. Have you put it in the oven. Goodbye. Thanks for tuning in. Give a like and subscribe. Give a big thumbs up. Bye. See ya.